Okay, so oh my gosh, first of all, I love you so much, DJ Gail. I think you're so pretty and you're so hot. Oh my gosh, I love you so much. And because of you, DJ Gail, oh my gosh, hindi ako nakikinig ng radyo at all. As in, ayaw nakikinig ng radyo, pero because of you, oh my gosh, I'm listening right now sa Monster RX 93.1 sa Apple Music. Ayan, oh, boog, di ba? That's their live broadcast right now. And nag-search talaga ako kanina, like, for real. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sinearch ko pa sa Spotify kung pumunta pa ako sa website nila. And as you can see as well, meron dito ngayon no, YouTube. Kasi chinek ko rin yung YouTube nila if like nagpa-play sila ng live broadcast there. So ngayon nalaman ko na they are playing live broadcast ata sa Spotify din. So since I'm using Apple Music, ang gamit ko is Apple Music. And meron din silang live broadcast sa kanilang website. And what's more, girl, sumakto ang kanilang guest for today is Beanie. Like, oh my God! Super love as in ngayon, as in every time na mag-work na ako. Dito na ako makikinig sa radyo kasi minsan nakakasawa na paulit-ulit na yung music ko na pinapatugtog. And kaya ako nagustuhan din kasi to. Nakikita ko nagla-live si DJ Gail mga gabi. And girl, sobrang nagugustuhan ko yung yung music, yung vibe. Sabi ko, oh my gosh. As in, napapatagal ako sa live niya. Alam mo, hindi ko kinikik na sa labas lang ako nung live. Tapos as in, nandun lang ako sa nakikinig lang talaga ng music and everything. Sobrang, I love you, DJ Gail! And ngayon, ang DJ ata ngayon is si DJ Aubrey. So, ayan, oh my gosh! Sobrang nakakakilig lang. Sobrang love ko lang talaga ng Monster X 93.1. As in, super. As in, girl, you should too. You should listen to them as well. Meron silang live broadcast ngayon. Actually, meron ditong sa kanilang website, meron ditong today's show, yung parang schedule nila. And for August 7, ayun, meron dito. So, if you want, if meron ka ditong may gusto kang pakinggan or what, pwede mong i-check. Pero girl, the music, as you can hear, vibing! Kanina pinatutug nila yung Gabriela by Cat's Eye and then sinundan nila ng Pantropico by Beanie kasi in-announce sila kanina na yung guest nila for today is Beanie. So ayun, hindi ko yun mag-ano yung Beanie. And wala lang, saya-saya lang as in. Woo! Ngayon ko lang ulit nabitan ng radyo. As in, ngayon ko lang nabitan ng radyo actually. Super love!